Greetings. I hope we're well today. Some of us are doing our calisthenics. Some of us are on our way to work. Oh, calisthenics? Evidently, eye rolling is a form of cardio. I didn't know this, but I have been informed. I wanted to holler out. I want you to wish me well for my first day of work. I'm going to a place by the name of Apache Mills. I had to look, see. I even have my own little ID card. Hey, Philly Drone Life, you see the name on there? What does that say? It's not a stage name, bro. It's my real name. I know you don't believe it. I've showed you my driver's license. I've showed you credit cards. Here's my official work ID. Nevertheless, I hope you're all well. Have a great day. Ladies, remember, eye rolling is a form of cardio. Have a great day. This is Silver Top Flyer, signing off.